Welcome to Natural Cures Daily. Today, we're diving into a vital topic: how to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste from our blood and maintaining fluid balance, so keeping them healthy is essential. Let's explore 10 effective home remedies to support kidney health. First up is hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. Adding fresh fruits like watermelon or cucumber can also boost hydration and provide essential nutrients. Next, herbal teas can be a wonderful addition. Dandelion root tea and nettle leaf tea are excellent for supporting kidney function. They help increase urine output and flush out waste. Enjoy a cup daily for best results. Lemon juice is another powerful detoxifier. Rich in vitamin C, it helps break down oxalates, reducing kidney stone risk. Mix the juice of 1 lemon in warm water each morning for a refreshing detox boost. Apple cider vinegar is a popular remedy. It helps dissolve kidney stones and promotes kidney function. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drink it daily, but consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Cranberry juice is well known for its urinary health benefits. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, promoting kidney health. Opt for 100% pure cranberry juice without added sugars for maximum benefit. A balanced diet is essential for kidney health. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and garlic. These foods help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Reducing sodium intake is crucial. Excess salt can lead to high blood pressure, putting strain on your kidneys. Opt for fresh herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. Regular exercise supports overall kidney function by improving circulation and helping maintain a healthy weight. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Lastly, avoid harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol. Both can negatively impact kidney health. If you smoke, seek support to quit and limit alcohol to moderate consumption. And there you have it, 10 natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Remember, these remedies are meant to support your kidney health, but always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your kidneys.